In this video, I will discuss a capacitance problem. This is the question. A parallel plate capacitor of capacitance C has spacing D between two plates having area A. The region between the plates is filled with N dielectric layers parallel to its plates, each with thickness delta equal to D by N. The dielectric constant of mth layer is Km, which is equal to K into 1 plus M by N. For very large capital N greater than 1000, the capacitance C is alpha K epsilon naught A divided by D ln 2. The value of alpha will be epsilon naught is permitted of free space. You can pause the video and attempt this question. Here is the solution. So the value of the entire capacitance is C, and the distance between the plates is D, and the area of the plates is A, and this capacitance is made of N layers of dielectric, and each layer has got a thickness D by N, and the dielectric constant of each layer, for example the mth layer, is K into 1 plus M by N, and N is greater than 1000, and the capacitance value is being given as alpha K epsilon naught A divided by D ln 2, and you have to find the value of alpha. So this entire capacitance can be considered as individual capacitance of that individual layer connected in series. So when capacitors are connected in series, the effective capacitance is 1 by C effective will be equal to the summation of the reciprocals. So that will be sigma of 1 by Cm, where Cm is the capacitance of the mth layer. And capacitance of mth layer is a parallel plate capacitor, so the formula is epsilon A by D. Epsilon is K epsilon naught, and K for the mth layer is Km, and epsilon naught A, and the thickness of that particular layer is D by N. And this summation is over the different layers. So the thing which is constant over all the layers, that will come out with the summation sign. D is constant, will come out. Epsilon naught A will come out, and remaining things are 1 by Km, and Km expression is being given. So using that we get this one, and here K can come out, and this can be rewritten as N divided by N plus M. N is a constant which is not going to change from layer to layer, so N will also will come out with the summation sign. So now we have just have to find this summation of this quantity, where M varies from 1 to capital N. So the terms of this summation are 1 by N plus 1 plus 1 by N plus 2, so on to the last term is M is N, so it will become 1 by 2N. So we have to find the summation. So to find this summation, where N is large, we will use a standard technique. We will consider a curve of 1 by x plus n, and this is like a hyperbola curve. So the plot of the curve will be like this, and the value of x is changing from 1, that corresponds to the first term, and the last term, the x value corresponding is n. So the summation will be approximately the area under this curve, and this approximation is a very good approximation if n is very large. So the summation is approximately the area under the curve, that's integral from 1 to n of 1 by x plus n dx, and integral of 1 by x plus n is ln x plus n between the limits, so that will be ln 2n minus ln n, that is ln 2. So we can get the effective capacitance 1 by C effective as n and n will cancel, so d by epsilon naught A K, d by epsilon naught K into the summation, that's ln 2. And the given expression of capacitance is C equal to alpha K epsilon naught A divided by D ln 2. So comparing this with this one, we get the value of alpha as 1. So this is the solution to this problem.